South Korea is reeling from one of the most destructive wildfire outbreaks in its history, as wind-driven blazes have scorched the country's southern regions. So far, the wildfire has claimed at least 24 lives, including a helicopter pilot, and forcing more than 20,000 people to evacuate. The National Fire Agency confirmed on Wednesday that the infernos, which erupted last Friday, have destroyed over 200 structures, including homes, factories, and an ancient Buddhist temple. As per reports, the fires have consumed approximately 43,300 acres of land, making this one of South Korea's largest wildfires by area burned.
정상적인 어떤 소리로 쭉 날아오다 급하게 끄기 전에 소리가 약간 이상했다. 뭐 이래 우리 자동차 운전하다가 보면 차에 뭐 소리 나는 거로 조금 소리가 이상하더라고. 제가 느낌이야. 그러고 바로 내리고.
In a tragedy, among the victims is a pilot whose helicopter crashed while battling flames in the southeastern town of Yuzyang, one of the hardest-hit areas. An eyewitness recounts the moment of crash. Authorities confirmed there were no other crew members on board. At least 26 people have sustained injuries of varying severity, while thousands remain displaced as emergency crews struggle to contain the fires. Bureau Report, NewsX World.